Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Wish everyone to be fine and healthy. In this video I'm going to show you how to make thumbnail for your YouTube channel free. So this website I'm going to show you is free of cost and you don't need to pay or anything else. So just simply type in your browser Conway, open the website. This website is the best. The first thing, just open it. Okay, this is the interface of this website. This website has a mobile app for Android. You can download from Play Store. This is one of the best and useful app and as well website. You can make many things. For example, you want to make logo, free logo. You can make best logo for your YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. You can make Instagram post, Facebook cover, poster. You can make many things in this app and you can edit them. Whatever you like, you can do in this app. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make thumbnail for your YouTube channel. Okay, just click on the create design. In create design just search YouTube. Okay, just you search, they will find. You want to make what? Art channel, display art, YouTube icon. I want to make thumbnail. Just click on thumbnail. Okay, they will open the another interface for editing. So the beauty of this app website is you can upload your own image from here. Upload media, you can upload from the device you want to choose, or if you have Google Drive you can upload from there, or Dropbox you can upload. If they give free images without any copyright, you can choose from here images very easily. So those images that I have uploaded, so for example I want to make a thumbnail about a video that I have made for Instagram. So I choose this image, just manage the size. Okay, like this. Okay, I manage the size. After that you can choose elements, and elements you have many things, many different kinds of elements. So I want to write something on my thumbnail. Just click on the text, add heading, or you can choose a different kind of text from here. So add heading. After add heading, just for example Insta. Okay, Instagram. Okay, so I have write this. So after that I wanna change the font. The best font I choose is this. I recommend for you as well. So I want to change the color. Just click on here, choose a color, white color. Yeah, it's very good. Like this, make it a little big. Okay, another thing, if you wanna make add any element, just click on this element, make the size for this element. If you want to choose, if you want to change the color of the element, you can simply click, or I want to choose this color or this, whatever you like would be best for your Insta. Okay, your thumbnail. So just make the size. Remember, be careful with the size that your thumbnail look eye-catching. So make this. Okay, like this. You can add elements, but if you want to change, for example, just click on here, delete. You can change, you can delete, or but I want to make it again. I want to add that elements, and you want to make the transparency. You can make like this, or you can 100% or low, but you can bring changes. So for example I made this, and after that I want to change the edit or bring some changes in the background. Just click on the filter. You can choose different kind of filter here. They are all free. You can choose from here. And for example effects, you can choose different kind of effects from here. They are all free. Or for example you can adjust the brightness of this and the contrast. everything you can bring the changes. So I recommend this Conway is the best for making thumbnail, for making many more things. So if I want to download this thumbnail, just simply click on the download and download it without any cost, free of cost. And I wish you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe.